Hey everyone, it's a great day to open up a pack of football cards. 1991 Bowman, 14 cards. Looking for a Joe Montana, Dan Marino, John Elway, and Emmitt Smith, Barry Sanders. Who else? We have the road to the Super Bowl divisional playoff. That's a Bo Jackson. Pretty cool looking there. Lewis Billups, Cody Carlson, Johnny Meads, Gil Bird, Reggie Robbie, Pepper Johnson, Keith Jackson, Chris Martin, Steve Walsh, Merrill Hodge, Steve DeBerg, Andre Rison. Put up Andre Rison and Ricky Sanders. That is the end of the pack. Appreciate you watching. Don't forget, like and subscribe. I'll see you next time.